Hello students, here is an example to solve a problem using quickshot method. The quickshot uses divide and conquer method. So we have already discussed in our previous class what is divide and conquer method. Suppose a problem is given. This problem is first divided into small subproblem, and after dividing into small subproblem we try to solve this problem. Then after solving it, finally we combine those solved problem to get the final solved problem. So in divide and conquer method there are different types of sorting techniques. So one of the technique is quickshot, which we are going to solve it here. I have taken a very simple example of unsorted element array. So here a quickshot first selects a value which is called the pivot value. Although there are many different ways to choose the pivot value, we will simply use the first item in the list. The role of the pivot value is to assist with splitting the list, the actual position where the pivot value belongs in the final sorted list, commonly called the split point, which will be used to divide the list for subsequent calls to the quickshot. So we make 54. We make 54 as a pivot value. Now we take two pointers, that is 26 and name as P and 27 name as Q. Always remember, P pointer moves towards right hand side. Right hand side, that means it keeps incrementing one by one unless element of P pointer is greater than pivot value. Likewise, Q pointer keeps incrementing towards left hand side unless element of Q pointer is less than the pivot value. So why we do this? We do this because we want right hand side element of pivot value to be greater and left hand side of the pivot value to be less. So before we start comparing or solving this problem, I want to add one more thing. We put plus infinite to the right hand side of the corner, and we do this because, as it is said, while element moving right hand side should be greater than and equal to pivot value, and element moving left hand side should be less than and equal to pivot value. So let's solve this problem. Here I have taken 54 as a pivot value, and the P and the Q are the two pointers. So let's do first with the P. Compare the element of P with the pivot value. So you see here 26. Is 26 greater than 54? No. So it will get increment, one stepped increment. Again you compare it. Is 93 is greater than 54? Yes. So here the condition is fulfilled. So P will stop here. Now compare the element of Q. Is 27 is less than 54? Yes. Since the condition is already fulfilled here, you don't have to move. So now the next step is, after they have fulfilled their condition, what we have to do is we have to swap the element of P and Q with each other. So 27 will come here and 93 will go there, and other values will remain the same, 54, 26, 17, 77, 31, 44, 55. So again 54 is a pivot value. So here 26, again the same process, repeat it again. Is 26 is greater than 54? No. So P will move again to the next step. Again compare it. Is 27 is greater than 54? No. Again compare it. Is 17 is greater than 54? No. Is 77 is greater than 54? Yes. So here the condition is fulfilled, so the P will stop here. Now this side again. Q is less than pivot value here? No. Is 55 is less than 54? No. Is 44 is less than 54? Yes. So here the Q also stopped here. So here the condition is fulfilled. So in that case again we have to swap the element of P and Q with each other. So 44 will come here and 77 will go there. And the remaining values will remain the same. 54, 26, 27, 17, 31, 55, 93. Again 54, take it as a pivot value. Again compare it. P again will start from here. Is 26 is greater than 54? No. 27 is greater than 54? No. 77 is greater than 54? No. 44 is greater than 54? No. 31 is greater than 54? No. 77 is greater than 54? Yes. So P will stop here. Now the Q. Is 93 is less than pivot value? No. Is 55 is less than 54? No. Is 77 is less than 54? No. Is 31 is less than 54? Yes. Here the condition is fulfilled. So here Q will stop here. So here you see now P and Q, they have intersect with each other. So in this case what we have to do, instead of swapping the element of P and Q with each other, now what we have to do is the element of Q will get swapped with the value of pivot value. So P and pivot value, it will get swapped. So 31 will come here and 54 will go there, and others will remain the same as it is. 77, 55, 93, 26, 27, 17, 44. So again now you have seen, now we can see the pivot value 54 has got its exact position in this array. So now it is you can see this array, it is divided again into two parts. This portion one side and other side is this portion. So again let's sort it out. First one part, using the same process, same method. Take 31 as a pivot value and 26 as a P and 44 as a Q. So compare it again. Is 26 is greater than 31? No. So increment with one step. Is 27 is greater than 31? No. Is 17 is greater than 31? No. Is 44 is greater than? Yes. So P will stop here. Next Q. Is 44 is less than 31? No. Is 17 is less than 31? Yes. Here the condition is fulfilled. The Q will stop here. Okay? So here again we have seen they have intersect with each other. It's not like the previous one. If they haven't intersect with each other, then you have to swap the value of P and Q. But in such cases you have to swap the value of Q with the pivot value. So just write the value of Q here 17, and the pivot value will take place here 31, and the others will remain the same 26, 27, then 44 will come here. So finally we got a sorted array 17, 26, 27, 31 and 44. Now the next is this side. We'll try to solve this. Same it is again. Make this one as a pivot value. This is P and Q. So compare it again. 54 is greater than 77? No. Is 93 is greater than 77? Yes. So P will stop here now. Now Q is less than 77? No. Is 55 is less than 77? Yes. So here the condition is fulfilled. So they have intersect with each other, P and Q. This P and Q has intersect with each other. So in such cases, what we have to do? We have to swap the value of Q with pivot value. So we write it down. In place of pivot value, we write the value of Q. 55 will come here. Then 77 will go there. Then the remaining will remain the same, 93. So we get the final sorted value here, 55, 77 and 93. So the final answer is and the 54 will come here. So finally we get the sorted array. So this is how we solve quick sort technique. Okay, thank you.